Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to organize your transfer foils using these tags, paper clips, and tape. So I was walking around the craft store trying to figure out something to use to organize my transfer foils. This is what I use now, and it's okay. It just takes up a lot of space, and when you're trying to pull out a transfer foil and then put it back, sometimes you have to re-roll it, and it's kind of hard to see really what you have. I like to see what I have. I don't like everything to be on display, but I like to see what I have. So sometimes a foil will catch my eye, or a nail polish color will catch my eye. So I just really wanted a better system for my transfer foils. So I have all these. I have a few new ones that I just got off AliExpress. So I am going to show you guys what I thought of when I was in the store. And I haven't tried this before. I have not seen this before on anyone's YouTube channel. So this is just something I thought about when I was walking around the craft store. So essentially what I'm using are these tags, and I got the ones with holes in them. However, that really doesn't matter for what I'm doing today. And then I got some gold paper clips, and you can use whatever color you want. I just wanted gold ones, and then just a little scotch tape. So in my mind, I was thinking of just taping a little piece and then rolling it around the tag, and then using the paper clip to hold everything in place. You don't necessarily have to buy these tags, or you could buy cheaper ones. You could buy whatever color. Essentially, I just think that they should be rectangle shape. Just so you have enough room to wrap the foil around. And one of the things I liked about the tags is if you really liked a foil, you could just write down on the tag where you got the foil. I'm not doing that because I don't remember where I got all of these foils. A lot of them were on AliExpress, but I don't remember each store specifically. So anyway, I'm just gonna take a small piece of tape and then just tape the transfer foil and then just wrap it around the tag, the piece of paper. You also can probably cut up a piece of poster board or any thick cardstock or something like that, and just use these to use that to wrap around the foil. So yeah, you don't necessarily have to use the tags, but you do need to find something to keep them in place. You don't want them to unravel because that totally would defeat the purpose. So again, I'm just going to tape the foil on the tag, and I kind of want to keep it as straight as possible so it doesn't so it can lay as flat as possible on the tag. Also, you don't want to wrap too tightly because you're going to bend the tag. So just loosely wrap it around the piece of paper. So again, just take a little piece of tape, tape it on the tag, and just wrap it around. And when you're done, just hold it in place with the paper clip. So it's pretty simple. This is something that took me about 45 minutes to do. I also didn't realize that I had so many foils, but my idea worked in my head, so that made me happy. I'm actually going to store them in a little container you will see later that I got from Target. It's a little plastic container. It was $1. They have a lot of these different shape containers that I have in my drawers that I got for $1 or $2 at Target in their storage aisles. But also what I was thinking of, you could probably put these on a ring. One of the swatch stick rings or something like that if you wanted to as well. I just don't I want to put it in the drawer, so that's why I didn't hang it on the ring, but you could do that as well if you have something to hang your swatch sticks on. I used to have my swatch sticks hanging on a jewelry stand, but that literally took up too much space, and it wasn't the most efficient way to use my swatch sticks. So yeah, these are gonna go in a little plastic container. I'll show you later, and they are gonna go in the drawer. So as I went on with this, I found it went a little bit faster if I taped a couple of foils at a time instead of doing one at a time. So you might want to tape like 5 or 6 at a time and then roll them all, instead of taping each one individually, kind of like an assembly line. So yeah, that's what I did. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys store your transfer foils? Are you guys, how do you organize, actually not store, how do you organize your transfer foils? Let me know if you think this will work for you. And I'm just gonna show you me wrapping a little bit more because I know it's exciting, and I will be back a little bit more towards the end of the video. And I believe in the next clip is where you see me tape down a few at a time instead of just doing one by one. But yes, so just keep watching, let me know what you guys think, and then I will be back in a couple moments just to talk a little bit more about the organization of everything. Okay, so here are all of the ones that I was able to do. I did run out of tags. I didn't realize I had so many foils. But anyway, so this is a little plastic container that I got from Target. It was $1. Like I said earlier, they have a bunch of these containers. They have them in white and they have them in gray, and they're like $1. They start at $1, but they have different shapes and sizes as well. But anyway, so I'm just gonna organize these by color, and then the ones with the print, I'll just do the most dominant color in the print. I'm not doing the rainbow. I'm not organizing it by rainbow spectrum, so please don't go in my comments talking about that's not the proper rainbow, that's not the proper way of the rainbow, whatever, color wheel, whatever. Don't do it. So yes, I'm just doing the, again, on the prints, I just do the most dominant color, organize it that way. But yeah, there's not really much to what I'm doing. But so this is about 50 foils. Again, I did not realize I had this much. But you can see that this container is about like 6 or 7 inches, and all the ones I have fit in this container. I have about like 10 more. Those are all gold ones. But so everything's gonna fit in this. I'm not buying any more transfer foil. Like, I literally have enough, and this isn't something that I use every set of nails that I do, so I think I have way too much. But here's a good example of having a lot of foils and then putting them in not having them all over the place, not taking up too much space in your drawers or what have you. So yeah, pretty simple. I did like how this turned out. I do like how you can just essentially just flip through the I don't know what I want to call them. I almost want to call them swatches, but you can just flip through the little tags and find what you're looking for. You could pull it out, pull off the paper clip, cut off what you need, put the paper clip back, and you are good to go. So yeah, again, I did find some duplicates in my foil, so I'm gonna add them to a giveaway or whatever. Um, so yeah, pretty simple video, not too exciting, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for spending your time with me. Definitely let me know what you think. Let me know how you organize your transfer foils, and please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will be back on Wednesday for another video. I'm trying to debate if I want to do a room organization video or if I want to give you guys a dip powder unboxing and a set. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.